Okay guys, this is the Vaterra, okay, the Chevy Suburban, okay. So, remember how I talked about opening this up, and you know me, I have to check things. But this thing claims to be 100% waterproof, and guess what? I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I did open this up, and man, I really hope you guys can tell. That's conformal coating. It's legit, guys. No joke. That is legit conformal coating. Here, let me see if I can put a little extra light so you can see that shine. See, look, see if you can see that shine, guys. You see that shine? Okay, that's conformal coating. That like surprises me to no end. Okay, you know, okay, I get, because this is I'm sure a rebranded ESC, understandable. You know, as far as the receiver, it's going to be in this box with a little gasket or O-ring or whatnot. But the fact of the matter that the servo is conformal coated, guys, for the price, the chassis setup and controller and everything, in my opinion, it's worth the price. So even if you're not a fan of the body, get on there, buy yourself one, put a different body on it. You know, that's cool. I'm more than shocked. Yeah, this might not be the most powerful servo, but if we don't add a bunch of weight and make it too crazy up front, I think the servo will probably last and be okay for a while before we have to think about putting another servo in it. So that's kind of exciting, actually. Pretty neat setup for the price. So yeah, get on Amazon, go check it out, guys.
You guys have to get it, it's really nice.
Yeah, so we're kind of excited. Time to play, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, buddy. Let's do it.
Yeah.
There you go. There's my tear-in on the Vaterra Ascender Chevy Suburban. Yeah, buddy. So thanks for watching with Codes Empire, and hopefully that will convince you into buying one of these little buggers. So until our next adventure, guys, see ya.